Trimming your cat's nails every 2 to 3 weeks is important for their health. A quick trim helps protect you, your cat, and your family. Here are some simple ways to trim your cat's nails. Cat nail clippers for beginners and groomers make it easy to trim your cat's nails safely at home. Perfect for both new pet owners and groomers, they are simple to use and gentle on your cat. Keep your cat comfortable and their claws healthy with every trim. First method to trim your cat's nails is that, make friends with the paw in step 1. Cat paws are soft, cute, and very sensitive. Most cats do not like having their paws touched, so you need to help them get used to it. Gently hold one paw between your fingers and rub it for 2 to 3 seconds. If your cat pulls away or squirms, stop and let them relax. Then release the paw and give a treat. This helps your cat associate paw touching with something positive. Let your cat get used to the clippers. Before trimming, let them see and smell the clippers and explore them freely. Check that the clippers are sharp and in good condition. Some cats are scared of the sound clippers make. To help with this, put a dry spaghetti noodle in the clippers while your cat is sitting on your lap. Cut the noodle to make a snapping sound. Then reward your cat with a treat for staying calm. Trim the nails in step 3. Put your cat in your lap, facing away from you. Gently hold one paw and press on the pad until the claw comes out. Trim only the sharp tip of the nail. Go slowly and give your cat a break if needed. Always reward your cat with treats to make the experience more positive. You can use different types of clippers to make trimming your cat's nails easier. You can use scissor-style clippers to trim the nails of cats. Their simple design makes trimming easy, which is why this style is often recommended for beginners. So, if you are new to cutting nails, use this style. You can also use plier-style clippers. This is a more heavy-duty style, which is ideal for cats with thick nails. Groomers often use plier clippers because of their sturdy design. You can also use guillotine-style clippers to trim a cat's nails. This style has a loop where the cat's claw passes through for the trim. Electric clippers can also be used for trimming a cat's nails. Electric nail grinders can be quick and easy to use. Many people like how they smooth out the nail edges. Always choose clippers based on your cat's comfort and preference, and be careful during trimming of your cat's nails. By using these simple and easy methods, you can safely trim your nails of your cats.